So how do you remove the camera from a lock screen on an iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so there are more things to do in here. First of all, the camera can be accessed two different ways, right? So you can slide to access the camera, or you also have the button by default, right? So in order to change the buttons, of course, I'm going to show you how to turn off both. So in order to first turn the button off, go to the edit page of the lock screen by holding down on it, tap on customize, and now you have the ability to change the buttons right there which show up, right? So you can replace the toggle for the camera, so you can remove it with the minus icon and bring something else in here, right? So you can just change the camera feature to be something else. The other method, as you can see, you can also just slide left on the lock screen to access the camera, and this can also be turned off. However, the requirement is that you are running the latest version of the iOS, which is currently the iOS 26.1, right? So not just the 26, but it has to be 26.1 because in that version, inside of the settings app, in the camera section, we now have the ability to decide that we no longer want to see the lock screen camera swipe, right? So it's called the lock screen swipe to open a camera, and you can decide to keep it on or off, right? So it's actually pretty useful, but as I said, it's only available in that version. So make sure your phone supports it first of all, and also that you are running the latest one, right? So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. Just hit the thumbs up if it worked, but most definitely stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.